Hello students, in this session we will discuss division algorithm for polynomials. Division algorithm for polynomials. It is just like division algorithm for positive integers. Division algorithm for positive integers. Tell me what is division algorithm for integers. If a and b are any two positive integers, then there exist two more integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r whenever r should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. If a and b are two positive integers, then there exist two more integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r whenever r should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. This is division algorithm for positive integers. In this case, a is dividend. A is dividend, b is divisor. B is divisor, q is quotient, and this r is a remainder. It is division algorithm for numbers. A is equal to bq plus r, where r is remainder, q is quotient, b is divisor, and a is dividend. We can apply this process for polynomials also. This is known as division algorithm for polynomials. Instead of taking integers, take two polynomials. If p of x and g of x, if p of x and g of x be any two polynomials with g of x is not equal to 0, with g of x is not equal to 0. P of x and g of x be any two polynomials with g of x is not equal to 0. We can find polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where r of x equal to 0 or degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. This is known as division algorithm for polynomials. If p of x and g of x are two polynomials with g of x is not equal to 0, we can find two polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x whenever r of x may be 0 or degree of remainder should be less than degree of divisor. Here, what is p of x? It is like a. It is like a is equal to bq plus r. In this case, p of x is nothing but a. P of x is dividend. Then g of x is divisor. G of x is divisor. Q of x is quotient, and R of x is remainder. And already we know dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is known as division algorithm for polynomials. if p of x and g of x be any two polynomials with g of x is not equal to 0, we can find polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x equal to q of x, g of x into q of x plus r of x. P of x is dividend, g of x is divisor, q of x is quotient and r of x is remainder. Next, divide problem. Divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square, or else x square plus 2x plus 1, both are one and the same. Divide this polynomial by this polynomial. Take divisor. In this case, this is our divisor. Take divisor, that is x square plus 2x plus 1, and dividend remains as it is. 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. First divide means divide this expression with this expression. Divide one polynomial with another polynomial. Now what we do? For getting 3x square, which term we need to multiply for x square? For getting 3x cube, which term we should multiply for x square? Just concentrate on first term. For getting 3x cube, which term we need to multiply for x square? That is 3x. Now only concentrate on first term, after that multiply every term of the divisor with 3x. Then it will be 3x cube plus 6x square, 2x into 3x plus 3x. Now just subtraction, just take reverse sign, means just subtraction. Subtraction, it will be cancel. Minus 6x square plus x square, that is minus 5x square. Then minus 3x plus 2x, it will be minus x, and take this 5 directly. Here nothing is means 0. 5 minus 0 is 5 only. Continue this process till denominator, till remainder becomes 0 or degree of remainder should be less than degree of divisor. Continue this process till to get remainder as 0 or degree of remainder should be less than divisor. In this case, degree of divisor is same as degree of remainder. Now again continue same procedure. For getting minus 5x square, which term we need to multiply for divisor? Which term we need to multiply? For getting minus 5x square, just multiplying with minus 5. Now multiply every term of the divisor with minus 5. Minus 5x square, minus 10x, minus 5. Usual multiplication. X square into minus 5 is minus 5x square, 2x into minus 5 is minus 10x, plus 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Again reverse this sign because subtraction. Minus, here we have positive, here negative means consider positive, here negative means positive, here negative means consider positive. Now these two terms will be get cancelled, means minus 9 minus plus 10x minus x, that is plus 9x, it is plus 5 plus 5, that is plus 10. Now clearly degree of remainder is less than divisor. Now stop this process. Now Already we know dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now verification. Consider divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now what is divisor? This is divisor, x square plus 2x plus 1 into, this is our quotient and it is remainder. What is quotient? 3x minus 5 plus remainder, that is 9x plus 10. Now usual multiplication, it gives 3x cube, usual multiplication, 3x cube plus 6x square plus 3x minus 5x square, usual multiplication, minus 5x square minus 10x minus 5 plus 9x plus 10. Now simplification, 3x cube plus 6x square minus 5x square, that is x square. After that plus 3x plus 9x, it will be 12x. 12x minus 10x is minus 2x, sorry, plus 2x. Then constant term, minus 5 means plus 5. This is clearly nothing but dividend. Divisor into quotient plus remainder should be equal to dividend, and clearly it is dividend only. 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. This is nothing but dividend. Just usual division. Clearly, if you multiply divisor and quotient plus remainder, clearly it gives dividend. Clearly this is dividend only.